this method, tofu becomes so delicious that you just can't stop eating it. Slice the tofu into slightly thick slices, coat them with a layer of cornstarch, then dip them in beaten eggs and fry in hot oil. Cook over medium to low heat until both sides are golden brown. In an empty bowl, add minced garlic, green onion, chili powder, and white sesame seeds, fried in hot oil to bring out the aroma. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of aged vinegar, salt and sugar, mix them well. Want to taste the delicious food in the video? Click the link to buy ingredients and start cooking. Cook tofu this way, it'll be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with a spicy flavor. If you like it, go ahead and try it.